Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my students. So today we are gonna learn how to use this, that, these and those. Okay. First of all, let us look at how we can use this. Okay. Now this we use when something is near to you. Okay. When something is near to you. Okay. When something is near to you, and also it has to be one thing. How many? It has to be one thing. Okay. And when you are using the sentence this, you have to use is, and also you have to use a or an. A or an. Now for example, let me draw one student. Okay. Now look at this student. Okay, this is, just imagine this is you, and then there is a balloon. Okay. Now the balloon is near to you. How can you make a sentence? How you are going to say is, this is a balloon. Okay. Now the balloon is near to you. So you're going to say, this is a balloon. Okay. You're going to say, this is a balloon. Okay. Only one balloon is there. So you're going to use this, and also and it is near to you, so you're going to say this is a balloon. Okay. Now for example, now let us think that now the balloon is far away. Okay. The balloon is far away from the child. Okay. The balloon is far away. So if the balloon is not near you, then you have to use the word that. Okay. You're going to use the word that, and then it has to be one. Okay. Which is one object which is far away from you, and it has to be one, and you're going to use is, and also a or an. Okay. You have to use a or an when you're using. You have to use a or an. Now let us look at this picture. Now there is one student, and then imagine this is you, and then the balloon is far away. How many balloons? Only one balloon. So you're going to use that is, and if it is one, you have to use that is a balloon. Now the balloon is far away, so you're going to say that is a balloon. How are you going to say? That is a balloon. Okay. So this and that you use when things are near and far, and also when you're using this and that you use when there is only one object. Okay. Only one object. And also when you're using this and that, you have to use is, a. And is used if the object starts with a vowel. Okay. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. For example, if there is an apple, you cannot say this is an apple. You have to say this is an apple, because apple starts with A. I will teach you about vowels inshallah in the after 2 sessions. After I teach this and that, I will teach you about vowels. Okay. So that is also used for objects that is one, and also you are going to use is, a, and. So if now you can see the balloon is far away from you. The balloon is far away from you, there's one balloon. That is why you're going to use that is a balloon. That is a balloon. Okay, so that is how you're going to use this and that. This and that is used for one object. This is for near, and that is when it is far away. When the object is far away, you use that. When the object is near, you use this. With this and that, you have to use is and a, or and with the object. Okay? Now let me teach you about that and those and these. Okay? Now, just now we learned this and that is used for one object. Now, for example, this is you, okay? And then there is, okay, 1, 2, or, okay, 3 balloons. If it was just one balloon, you can use this is a balloon. Now there are 3 balloons. If there is more than one, if it is 2 or more, you have to use these. You have to use these. Okay? This is used when things are near to you, if it is 2 or more. And when you are using these, you have to use a, and also you have to add a s. Okay, you have to add a s. You have to add a s to the object. For example, look at this picture. There is the student and there is 3. It is more than 2. So you have to use these, and the objects are near to you. The objects are near you and it is more than 2. So you are going to use these are balloons. You have to put a s because it is more than 1. Okay? So if the objects are near to you and if the objects are 2 or more, so in this one there is 3. So you have to say these are, and you have for the object is balloon. So you have to put a s, balloons. These are balloons. Okay? These are balloons. Okay? Now let us see when there is 2 or more objects far away. Okay? Now this is the student and the balloons are okay. Now the balloons are far away from the student. Now if there was only one, you can use, what can you use? That. Okay, if it is only one, you can use that. Now there is more than one. Okay, so if there is many things far away, the word you can use is those. Okay, the word that you can use is those, and it has to be far away, and then it has to be 2 or more objects. 2 or more objects, just like this. You have to use and you have to add a s. You have to add a s. Okay, you have to add a s. Now you can see from here there is the student and there is 4 balloons. This is more than 2, more than 2. So, and it is far away, so you have to use those, and it is more than 2, so you have to say those are, and the object is balloon. You have to add a s to it. So balloon becomes balloon. So you are going to say those are balloons. Those are balloons. Those are balloons. Okay, those are balloons. So if anything is near to you, and if it is one object, what are you going to use? What are you going to use? This. If there's one object and if it is near to you, you are going to use this, and then you have to use this is a or an. So for this picture, you are going to say this is a balloon. This is a balloon. Okay. And now if there is one object far away, you have to use that, and for that you have to use that is a, in this one it's a balloon, so you are going to say that is a balloon. If it is one object, no need to use a s, you don't have to use a s. Okay, you just use the name of the object. Now though these and those are used when there is two or more objects. Two or more objects. In this one there is 3 and here there is 4. This is used when the objects are near to you. When the objects are near to you, you use these, and when the objects are far away, you use those. Okay, when anything is far away, you use those, and then you have to use R plus S. You have to use R plus S. The object, you have to add a S to it. Okay, I hope that you have understood how to use these, those, this and that, and I will put an exercise for you to do. Please do it and send for me. Thank you.